Hey there YouTube, I'll show you another custom fast fish. Put some red line tires, pulled it off the Indy car. I'm gonna attempt to open this pack it up with some acetone and put the car in there and then close it back up. It'll look just like it does right here. You won't even be able to tell. Alright, here we go. Took me a while to figure this out. It's gotta have a lot of acetone on it. It's gotta be able to soak through. I gotta put it on the back side. I don't put none across the top because I like to keep that on. Alright. Pops right out. Pops right out. The new one goes in. And if you do it fast enough before it starts to dry, it will seal, the glue will reactivate and seal back. Let's see, where's that other one at? Can't find the other one. Let's see. I don't see the other one. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. Sorry guys. Alright. I'll do that. Let it dry overnight. Finished product would look like this. As you can tell, you can't even tell the back once it dries. And that's the Dodge van I did. Can't even tell it did anything. Alright YouTube, tell me what you think. Leave comments and like.